another little dumb video I'm going to make. In a previous video, I exercised my distaste for these little boxes. Well, apparently I have 4 of them. So, to make another completely useless video, I have 4 of them, right? I have this one, which holds a completely stupid amount of drill bits. I have this one that holds some drill bits, which is fine. Maybe I'll bring stuff somewhere. These ones are cooler, I have to admit, because these ones hold wrenches and ratchet. So I like the Craftsman. I don't like the box. This one has a little micro thing, which I have not seen this anywhere else. You know that, my brother. And I found another one. The guy who hates these boxes. I found this one, which has kind of bits that are falling out of it. Let me see if I can fix this real quick. That goes, where the hell does this go? It goes on top. Apparently you can play like the mix and match lottery with all these things. So anyway, there's, let's see if this all falls out. There's a bunch of bits in there. So now I put screws in there and stuff. What's the difference on this one? Not really. I think they just like play, what do you call it? Dewalt, whoever owns the corporate must be like, oh, we'll just throw like 2 more different bits in it. And people would be like, ooh. No. Yeah. It's, when you throw like wrenches in it, maybe. Because at least this, you can use it like, you know, oh, I've got to, fix my lawnmower or something in the house. This, the likelihood you might need, what, 2 drill bits a year if you buy this for like little work. Because, I mean, let me use this one. Shit, half of these things you won't use in your lifetime. I mean, well, this one maybe not, because I'll probably use all these ones. The torque bits barely ever. This one maybe. This, I'll probably do drywall once in my life, maybe, and that's it. And the big square ones, and that's it. And I think America uses, I don't know if these ones more than we do, because I don't think you have the little square. I don't know. There's one screw you guys have and you don't. So stop screwing around and get those Canadian bits. So now a little evil. I think just for the hell of it, I'm gonna buy these just every time I see something cool in them, just to make it like fun. They're supposed to fit on each other. I don't think they're working. What's going on? Oh, wait a minute. We lost a bit here. They're all falling out. Okay, that one's locked. This one's supposed to join that one. That one locks on that one. This one unlocks. This one piles on here. Oh, this one's black too. This one's got the yellow. These ones are black. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Gotta fit it on there. A little nice little. Why don't it fit right, man? Oh, let's see. Oh, I get it. I'll screw this up. There you go. Oh, look at that. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5-pack. The other thing I hate about these are these little loop things here. See, you can open them good, but when they go like inside there, you gotta like use this little tiny like, what do I got? Do like most construction people have kid fingers? I don't know. So anyway, 4 minutes of a waste of your time watching my videos. Hope I'm not wasting your time. You know, I do this for entertainment. I might not be very entertaining, but I like making dumb videos. I like spending time here at night talking to a phone with nobody else behind me. It's like, oh yeah, I just pretend there's like 4 million people behind a camera. I don't know. I don't even get 4 million views. But I sit here and I struggle through the lack of views. But hey. So anyway, don't forget to click a button over here, click a button here, click a button here. if you leave me a comment, somehow it helps the algorithm, and they go like, oh, look, somebody likes this video, throw it in the mix. So if you leave comments, even if you leave a heart, question mark, or ask questions, ask me what's over here, what's over there, because I know you're all looking over here like someone's going like, oh, I see that. Oh, what's that over there? Oh, what a mess. You got a cluster of stuff over here. I do it. Me. I do that, and you really shouldn't point because it's not really polite. Don't ever point your finger anywhere. Anyway, I'll shut up now. Thanks for watching. And for my 1,348 subscriber, you're awesome. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you're not a bot. Thank you.